Here at SHL Medical, we grow where our customer need us most. We reached an exciting new milestone in the US, and I'm here to share what it means for our future. Our new Charleston facility in South Carolina is officially open and is already making an impact. This is a big milestone for us, and we're already commercially supplying volume for our major customers in the US. We're seeing increasingly strong demand for local development and supply, in particular for our Moly platform. And this is just the beginning. In the years to come, we will supply hundreds of millions of devices on an annual basis out of this site. These devices support some of the world's leading therapies, helping improve outcomes with greater ease, freedom, and access for our patients. In 2025, we're also closing in on a major achievement for SHL Medical. We will have delivered 1.5 billion autoinjectors to our customers worldwide. As demand continues to rise, we're ready to grow with it. If more capacity is needed, we're prepared to invest in an additional site. Charleston taught us how to move fast, and we're ready to do it again. At SHL Medical, we expand with a purpose, to be where our customer needs us most. The new Charleston facility is proof of that commitment. Thank you for your trust, partnership, and supporting us on our journey to enable patients' independence.